Tired of the same old boring backpacks? Want to give your wardrobe a sustainable makeover? Today, we're turning an old pair of Levi jeans into a stylish and eco-friendly backpack. This DIY project is perfect for anyone who loves upstyling and wants to reduce their environmental impact. Plus, it's a great way to add a unique personal touch to your style. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through the process from cutting the denim to sewing the final seams. And to make things even easier, we've created a PDF pattern that you can download. So grab your sewing machine, some basic supplies, and let's get started. Let's transform your old jeans into a stylish, eco-friendly backpack. First, we'll deconstruct the denim. Lay your jeans flat and identify the key pieces that we will need. The two front panels, the two back panels, and the two side panels. Using sharp scissors, carefully cut along the inseam of the legs to separate them. Next, cut the waistband and pockets, ensuring you preserve their original shape. Now it's time to lay out your pattern pieces on the denim. Pin or use pattern weights and mark the pieces, ensuring they are aligned correctly. With your pattern pieces marked, use your scissors to carefully cut out the denim, and there you have it. Your denim is now ready to be transformed into a one-of-a-kind backpack. Stay tuned for the next step, where we'll assemble these pieces into a functional and fashionable backpack. These are all the pieces that I will be using to make a backpack that I will be making from an old pair of jeans. I've deconstructed the jeans. It is a Levi's brand jeans, size 34, and I've cut out all my pieces. These are the loops from the waistband. These are the inseam I'm going to make zipper tabs and the top handle from. These pieces will be my straps, and this will be the top where I'll be placing the zipper. We have our zipper there, and these are the interior lining pieces. I took the two pockets from the back of the jeans, and I'm going to use this as a lining pocket, and the other one will be our exterior pocket. I also added two snaps to hold it in place, as you can see here, just for a bit of security. So, and these are the sides and the bottom. So let's go ahead and start making our backpack. Okay, so let's start by sewing our two pockets in place. So these are the two back pockets of the jeans. I'm placing one on the lining, one of the lining pieces, and the other will be placed on the exterior front piece of our backpack. I also took the Levi's little logo, and I'm going to stitch it in place on one side of the pocket. And so I've lined up my pocket in the center of my exterior piece. I also added a little snap there. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but just a little thing that I added to kind of keep the pocket secure. I also did the same for the lining piece. So now I'm going to take it to the sewing machine, and I'm going to sew around the sides and bottom. And remember to sew across about 1/2 inch
to secure your pocket. These areas, when you place stuff inside of the bag, these areas receive a lot of wear and tear, and so to keep it from ripping, you will stitch in about 1/2 inch on both sides before you come around. Also, you can add a second stitch line here on the inside of the pocket if you wish, or you can leave it as it is. I haven't decided as yet. We'll see what happens when I go to the sewing machine. So let's do that. Make sure to go forwards and backwards to secure your stitch, and then continue to the end. With a needle down, we will pivot and continue our stitching. I'm going to add a piece of foam to the back of my presser foot to even it out. Ooh, I keep forgetting to lower the presser foot. And we're going to go in the 1/2 inch to finish up. So pocket is installed on our exterior piece. I think I'm going to go around a second time on the inside just to cover the raw edges that is exposed in there. I'm using this stitch line as a guide as I go around. Okay, so our first pocket on the lining is on, and we're gonna set this aside. Let's continue with our exterior. If you want, you can pin, but I don't feel like I need to pin this. It's centered nicely, and so we're gonna just take it up here.